This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news. Whoa, did you see that move? This isn't just any mini robot. You're looking at an AI vision powerhouse capable of incredible autonomous driving feats, and it's rewriting the rules. Forget normal driving. Mecanum wheels let it glide any direction, sideways, diagonally, spinning. Serious agility built right in. See these glowing eyes? Smart ultrasonic sensors. It accurately senses distance, which is key for what's next. Fully autonomous obstacle avoidance. Watch it navigate complex paths all by itself. How's it so smart? It runs on Arduino. That means you can program its brain, teach it cool stuff, like tracking specific colors. See it lock onto that blue ball? Need precision? Watch it follow lines perfectly, using its dedicated 4-channel sensor underneath. Smooth and accurate. And get this, it even understands traffic lights. Red stop, green go, following real-world rules. Or how about face tracking? Yes, it sees and follows you, Deck. But wait, it can do things too. Just add the gripper expansion, and bam, physical interaction. Pick up, move, sort objects, control it all. It's a versatile mini manipulator now. And remember, you build this awesome kit yourself, learning every part. Control it easily via the phone app too. So, amazing movement, smart sensing, Arduino power, tracking, and grabbing. The miniAuto is a leap forward in accessible robotics. What amazing things would you build? Let us know. And hey, if you love seeing groundbreaking tech and AI innovations like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button for AIX right now so you don't miss what's next.